Okay guys, quick follow-up video on a Radiant Red truck I did. This is a 2020 389. I'll put a link to the full video walk around on this truck during daytime. But this one is Radiant Red. Real quick, 280 wheelbase, 565 Cummins, 2050 torque, air ride front. So we decided to go ahead and add some lights and a couple little options on here. It has this one here. It now has curved tip pipes. And then we did the Phoenix light kit, and these are the shine down lights, so they're visible from the side of the truck. In the daytime you can't see them. And then as you can see as we go kind of closer, how they illuminate the tanks, which is pretty sweet. And I'll show you a neat little feature on why I like these light kits on the other side of the truck. And then on the front and back of the breathers, we did blanks with the light illuminating from the back. And then we put this, I can't remember the brand of this light up in the air breather, but it also can be turned into a turn signal if you do the wiring. And then we did, this one's got the cow panel piece, and then the shine down lights here as well. But I really like how it illuminates off the air breather. So if you have questions about this truck or any other truck, give me a call. This is JW with Rush. 970-518-5520. And a couple little things here. 14-inch drop visor. And then the lights. Then you can kind of see from this angle, if you look to the lights on the air breather lights to the right of the hood, how they reflect twice, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to try to get some good night shots of this truck as well. But here's what's really cool about this piece. Most of the aftermarket Peterbilt parts for this side, whenever you run a light kit, we have to mount them out here because there's so little room down here. And this kit actually fills that space without having to go on the side of the panel. So it still looks uniform from one side of the truck to the other. So whoever I sell this truck to, I might have a little surprise for you. Might inspire us to get this thing moved along. And if you look at the reflection off the sleeper, you can see Pikes Peak, Colorado Springs. And then one last change I did on this truck is we swapped the fifth wheel out to a low lube. So it's an upgraded fifth wheel. It's the comparable to the F35, same capabilities and everything. But it's pretty sweet. And this truck, we did a 4-bell train horn on it as well. Right in your blind spot, so you can wake people up when they're not paying attention. Again guys, thanks for watching. If you like these videos, go ahead and click on the button in the bottom right hand corner and subscribe. If you have some questions, give me a call. JW 970-518-5520. Stay safe, everybody.